You are watching Adobe After Effects FXtreme Tutorials, Pilipinas. Learn Shape Tool the easy way. Shape Tool is used to create basic shapes such as square, circle, star, and polygon. Select the Shape Tool. Hold-click and drag inside the panel. Click Fill and Stroke to edit the color of the shape. To change shape, hold-click the Shape Tool. Click the rounded rectangle tool. Let's change the shape to ellipse. Hold Ctrl to scale perfectly. Let's now use Polygon tool. Try to roll up or roll down the mouse roller. To increase or decrease the number of corners. Lastly, the Polystar tool. You may also press Page Down to decrease the number of corners, and press Page Up to increase the number of corners. Learn Pen Tool the easy way. Pen Tool is used to create shapes and strokes. It is often used for masking and follow-along path. Select the Pen Tool. Click anywhere you like. The small squares are the vertex or point. In order to add a fill, just simply click the fill, then click OK. Click it again to change to other fill option. You may also change the blending mode and opacity. In stroke, it has the same option. You may adjust the thickness of the stroke. You may add and subtract points. Simply hold-click the Pen tool. Select Add Vertex tool. Click anywhere in the stroke, then a vertex will appear. Select Delete Vertex tool. Click any point to remove it. You may curve the lines by using Convert Vertex tool. Select Convert Vertex tool. Then click to any point. Those blue lines with dot at the curve are called Bezier curve. Let's use Pen tool to mask and animate. Move the GIF.png to the timeline panel. Click the arrow and scale down. Also move the anchor point at the bottom. Let's make a solid layer for masking. Click Layer, New, and then click Solid. Change to any color you want, then click the pen tool. To mask a vertex, make sure that the solid layer is selected. Start making a path of the chip. To add Bezier curve easily, press Alt. To adjust the curve, click and hold the small dot. Move the Jeep layer at the top. We need to copy the path we made and paste it to the Jeep. To do so, click the arrow of the solid layer. Find Mask Path. Select it. Press Ctrl C to copy. Click the Jeep layer. Click the arrow, go to Transform. Press Ctrl plus V. As we can see, the motion of the Jeep was just straight. To fix this is very easy. Right-click the Jeep layer. Go to Transform, select Auto Orient. Select Orient along path. Move the time indicator forward. Now, the Jeep follows the path. Learn Text Tool the easy way. Text Tool is used to write texts and numbers for title, description, and more. Select the Text tool. Click the Selection tool, then scale it. Customize your text by clicking the Character panel. You may also use the Paragraph panel. You may also use the Align panel. You may also add stroke to the text. Click the stroke and pick a color. Adjust the value of the stroke. Let's add a simple motion. Type a quotation or type this. Click Selection tool. Snap it to middle. Click the arrow of the text layer and click Animate. Click Position. Find Animator, then click the arrow key of Range Selector. Change the value of position. Put it outside the video. Click the Start stopwatch. Click Arrow Advanced option. Change the mode into Character including spaces. Move the time indicator forward. In the range selector, change the start value to 100%. Move the time indicator backward. Move the work area end. Press spacebar. Hi, my name is Mhel Gibson. I'm sharing my knowledge about Adobe After Effects tutorials. Please subscribe at FXtreme YouTube channel.